Hello everyone, this is Mahesh. I'm going to explain about the React Mini project Insta shared. So this is login page. Okay, this is username, password, login button. This is path. So we can give the other path here. For example, I can give the my profile path. It will read it from the login path. So we can see the username. So I can give the other username here. For example, I can give the Ramu and I can give the password. I can click the login button. It will show an error message invalid username. So I can give the username Rahul. I can give the wrong password. It will shown by the username password did not match. I can give the correct password. I can click the login button. So it will redirect from the home page. So this is header component. This is icon. This is search bar. This is search icon. This is home link. This is profile. This is login logout button. This is my Insta stories. So I can use the third-party package React Slide, and this is slider. And this so this is other user profiles. See here. So this is like a dislike icon. This is message icon. This is share icon. So I can click the like button. It will increase by the likes. So I can click the uh, like icon, dislike icon. It will decrease by the likes. So this is my profile. This is my name and my role, my stories and my post. So I can click the home page. So this is other user profile. I can click the user profile. It will redirect from the user profile. This is username, user bio, and other user stories, user post. See here. We can click the back button. We can redirect from the home page. So we can see the output from mobile view. So this is mobile view. Like this is Insta stories. This is other user profile. This is header component. This is hamburger menu. We can we can click the hamburger menu icon. We can see the home, search bar, my profile, logout button, and icon, rejected icon. So I can click the home page. We redirect from the home page. I can click the search. We can see the search bar. So I can click the profile. It will redirect from the my profile. I can click the rejected icon. The data will be rejected. So so I can go back from the home page. I can click the logout button here. It will redirect from the login page. uh, I can click the login form. This is login form. We can import from the JS cookies. From cookies, we can import redirect from React router DOM. We can use the redirect component. It will sorry it we can use the redirect. We can give the any path. It will redirect from the particular path. So I can give the path for the home path. Uh, so this is state, username, password, show error message, getting false error message. So on submit success for the login, we can successful login for the home page. Otherwise it will getting the not found message. So this is on submit failure view. uh, state, state will be shown error message getting true. It will getting the error. So we can see the on submit login details. We can use the async await functions. We can state from the username password. This is API URL for login. Uh, I can use the post method here. So when the response will be okay, it will successfully submit for the data. Otherwise it will getting error message. So we can change the username and password. We can use the functions for the unchanged username and unchanged password. This is state username will be event accordingly. It will so for example we can give the wrong username. Username or password is invalid. I can give the correct username and password. It will read it from the home path. This uh, this is render user input container state state. Uh, we can return the JSX HTML. This is label. This is input container. We can HTML for the username from the ID of input element. We can pre-rendering again. We can pre-rendering of the as like username. We can re-rendering of the password input container. So we can use the render show error message and error message. So the token is undefined. Sorry, if the token is not undefined, we read it from the home path. We can return the JSX HTML code here. We can use the form. This is on submit login details. So you can see the submit login details. This is used for we can successfully login for the username and password. We can read it from the application. Otherwise, it will getting error. So we can log in for the application. from the username, and we can use the username and password. Sorry. It will redirect from the home page. This is header component. This is icon, and this is search bar. This is search icon, and this is home page. This is my profile page. This is logout button. This is Insta stories. So we can see the header component. This is header component. We can import from the link and with router from React router. We can import it from the third-party packages of React icons. We can import it from the JS cookies. So we can use the component for search context consumer from the. We can get the values for search input, click on change search input on search input, likes, etc. This is on logout button. We can click the on logout button. We redirect from the login page. So we can use the history when they click on the logout button. We redirect from the login path. So we can replace for the history. Okay. This is close header button, and on more options, on search input, on search change search input, search container view. So we can see the search box container. So this is search box. So this is we can give the type for the search, and on change will be we can give the any name, or we can give the any word. It will be available for the available for our application. It will shown, otherwise it will be shown by the error message. For example, I can give the birds word. I can click the icon. Birds profile is available here, so it will be displayed. Otherwise it will getting error. For example, I can give the any random name. I can click the icon. So I can click the icon, and the page is not found here. Okay, I can click the home page. Can load the data. Okay. So this is on more options element. In on more options, we can see the link, home link, and profile link, and logout button. See here. So this is home link. This is profile link. This is logout button. Okay. We can return the JSX HTML code. We can use the link for the home path website logo. This is logo. So, and we can give the header name Insta share. Can use the icon for the FS search. This is FS search icon. So the logout button. This is logout button, and this is the three bars. D3 bars. So we can see the inspect home page. This is D3 bars. Hamburger menu. Okay. So we can see the stories. Can load the data. This is stories. We can see the stories. So this is import from the loader, import from the JS cookies, and the API storage status will be taken for the initial in progress, success and failure. So we can take the state to will storage list to will be empty. API status storage will be initial state. So we can get the storage details. API storage status in progress. That means it will be loading. So we can get the JW token and API URL. I can use the method get method header authorization bearer access for the token. So if the response will be okay, when the data will be responded, so we can give the for example, we can see here we can give the API status will be API storage status will be success. It will be successfully displayed. Otherwise, it will give the failure view. So this is render loading view. So this render success view state. So this is render storage failure view. So we can give the any error name and any error word. We can say the image and a paragraph element. Something went wrong. Please try again and try again button. So we can use the API status storage for state method. We can use the switch state. We can use the switch state when the state when the render will be success. It will be success. Otherwise, it will render will be loading. It will be loading. Otherwise, it will render storage failure view. It will shown by the failure view. See here. This is this stories. See my stories. This I can use the third party package of slider, and this is scrolls. So I can we can see the user profile. So this is user profile. We can import from the loader. We can import from the JS cookies. When the API my profile status will be taken in initial in progress, success and failure. Okay. We can get profile details for component did want. When the pros will be matched for the params, when the user name get for the params, we can use the state for the API URL in API my profile status will getting in progress. So I can use the get method and authorization bearer for taken for the token. So when the response will be okay, you can see the API my profile status will be success, otherwise it will shown by the error message. This is the render loader view. This is on try again view. See here, so on try again. We can access for the on try again. This is render post failure view. See here we can give the any random name. It will shown error message. Can load the data. So I can give this is so we can see the my profile. This is my profile. So this is my profile, my name and my role, my stories and my post. So I can import from the loader, I can import from the JS cookies, I can import from the header, I can import from the profile card. So API my profile status will initial in progress, success and failure. When the we can state the API my profile status will initial state, profile data will be empty. We can get the profile details for component inbound, async and await functions. So I can use the get method when the headers for the authorization bearer for access token, access from the token. So if the response will be okay, API my profile status will be success, otherwise it will be getting error. So this is render loading view. This is failure view, render of failure view. So we can use this switch statement. API profile will be successful login or failure or loading. We can see the here we can successful login. We can render up the my profile success view, and otherwise we can render the loading view. Otherwise, to render the post failure view. So this is we can see the profile card. This is my profile card. I can get the data for profile, username, user ID, username, profile pic, follower count, user bio, post stories. See here. This is user ID, username, user role, stories, post, following count, followers count, following count. This is followers count, following count, post. See here. So I can load the data. It will redirect from the home page. I can click the logout button. We can successfully redirect from the login page. So this is all about my project. Thank you.